Here's how I made this basket for my linen closet using a scrap cardboard delivery box.
So pretty!
So let's get started. So here's the scrap delivery box and here's the fabric that's going to line the inside of the basket. I recommend taking enough fabric that barely goes over the edges of the box. Here, I took a whole lot more fabric than I should have.
Yes, that's too much!
I secured the fabric to the sides with clothespins. Which then gave me a fold like this. And then you just stitch that fold like this. Now just cut off the excess fabric. I stitched the edges of the liner neat like this. And then just flipped it inside out to fit the inside of the basket. Now for the base, I took another piece of cardboard, measured and cut it according to the size of the base of the basket. Now I took some of that same fabric, cut off the corners like so, in a sort of triangle. Applied hot glue to the card and just stuck the fabric on all sides like so. I flipped it and here I had the perfect matching base for the basket.
Whoa!
Now for the outside of the basket. I cut out jute fabric and simply hot glued it to the sides. I also glued this pretty lace that I got from the craft store. It was finally done and I hope you liked it. Click here if you want to see how I utilize this basket to organize my linen closet.